Hey guys, this is Kishore from Digital Monk. Now the topic is how to change DNS records. So in the previous videos, what we have done is we have bought a domain. We have bought either from GoDaddy or if you have bought from Namecheap, it's fine. So and afterwards we bought a hosting from HostGator. So the next step is what we do is we change something called as a DNS records. DNS stands for domain name service. Now to change that, first step is make sure you log into your GoDaddy account where you bought the domain. So let me log in. Hopefully I remember the password. Monk HQ. Let me log in. Yes, I have logged in. So once you log in, click on the right top corner, click on the option called as right top corner of your profile, click on my products. Once you click on products, you will be finding your domain name here. You have to scroll down and you should be seeing an option here. Let me just close this pop-up. You see an option called as DNS. So now click on this option called as DNS and you have to scroll down again. And there's an option called as, these are the default GoDaddy name servers, guys. If you have bought hosting on GoDaddy name servers, you can use it. If you have not, since I bought it from HostGator, I have to change it. There's an option called as change. Click on change. And once you click on change, there's an option here, enter my own name servers advanced. Click on this, and this is where we have to add the name server details. Now this name server details can be found in the mail which you got. I showed this video on the previous topic also. You get this mail. So here under accessing your website, here it says name server 1, name server 2. You have to just copy this, copy, go back here, paste. And so again guys, make sure you have no spaces before or after. No spaces should be copied. Similarly, select the second one, Control C, come back here and paste. Now, if by any chance you don't have the mail, just check your spam folder, guys. By any chance you got this mail, you'll be getting this completed, this information you'll be getting. So just check the mail. So other else you have to go to your HostGator. Once you do the payment, okay, once you can log into your account, click on my account. Seems like it's taking time. Click on the option manage orders. Under that, list/search orders. Click on that option. Here, click on your domain name which you have purchased, which you have bought on the domain name you registered the hosting. Click on that. Here, can you see option under single? So this is the one. If you bought multi-site, it says multi-domain Linux hosting. Okay. So click on the name server details. You see the same information here. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to change it here. It's the same information. If you see, it's the same thing you see here, and you have to click on save. And then now you get a option. Yes, I consent, accept the change of name servers. Don't worry, it's not risky. They just make it scary. That's all. Click on continue. Okay. And this is how you change the name servers. Now by doing this, you have to wait some time. Now, if you contact hosting providers, they say have to wait up to 24 to 48 hours. I would suggest you to wait at least 10 to 15 minutes easy. Okay. So what has happened is we have changed it. It's still showing the old name servers. By any chance you're seeing this, guys, refresh. Sometimes refresh twice, thrice to see the new name servers updated. It was showing the old. Now can you see here? It is showing the new name servers. Can you see HostGator.in, HostGator.in. So now it might not be able to install WordPress right away because the domain has to propagate. The name servers has to be propagated. It may take some time, maybe like 10-15 minutes. So to check the domain propagation, guys, you have to, there is a website called as who.is. Go to this website, who.is. Put in the domain name, addloop.in. That is the domain name, which I changed the name servers. On that only I bought the hosting. So I click on search. By any chance you have bought a wrong domain name or wrong hosting or a mistake in the email, contact your support, guys. By any chance, I'm just telling you, just as a caution, by any chance you made a mistake in putting the domain name while buying the hosting or forgot the password, something like that, contact hosting. They'll be able to help you out. Or if it's a domain issue, contact domains GoDaddy. They'll be able to help you. So you type who.is, scroll down. I have typed the domain name here. Can I see it says domain name shows here. You have to click on this option called as DNS records. Click on this option. If you see here, the name servers, NS, it shows the old name servers only, domain control, which is GoDaddy name servers. So you have to wait for some time, guys. It may take up to 10-15 minutes. I'm going to pause the video now. I'm going to come back next. Once I come back, I'll show you the change. Now it shows this, and later I come back, it will be showing this name service. Cool. All right, guys, it's been almost 5-10 minutes now. So it was not changing right here. I'm not sure why it was the reason. So what I did was I searched for domain DNS checker. I know this famous tool called mxtoolbox.com. You can go to this website, mxtoolbox.com/DNS check. So I type the domain name which you have, okay, and type DNS check. And here it should be showing your name servers. Can you see here, guys? Namecheap hosting as the previous one. This was the previous one. This was the one that we got from HostGator when we bought the hosting, and the same one has been propagated. Now we can install WordPress. If the name servers has not been still changed, if it's still showing the GoDaddy name servers, just wait for a few more minutes or just spend another 30 minutes and come back and check again. It should definitely have changed. And if it still didn't work, what you can do is you can contact your GoDaddy account and check with them. Sometimes they might have been blocked by changing name servers. Check with them, they'll be helping you to change the name servers. Or you can share these two name server details to your GoDaddy service providers, your customer support of GoDaddy. They should be able to fix the issue.